Hey folks, I got something that I think is pretty cool that I'd like to show you. Now, I don't know if this worked on previous versions, but on V3.5, Oculus opened up the ability to load 2D apps. I think some 2D apps would work before, but I'm not exactly sure. It's the first time I tried this. But how would you like to have, if you're a SideQuester and you like using SideQuest and that app store, how would you like to have SideQuest on your headset? Pretty darn cool. There's some drawbacks here, and I'll explain as I go. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get SideQuest on your Oculus. All right. So, first step is you're going to go out on the web and you're going to find APK Pure. Now, this is the way I did it. If you can find the SideQuest installer APK out on the web, you can go ahead and just grab that, download it to your PC, hook up the cable to your Quest, and use SideQuest to install the SideQuest installer. But I wanted to do it native in the headset. I didn't go looking for this, but if you can find it, great. But APK Pure is super easy to find. Just Google search APK Pure. You will find a website. You'll download the APK to your PC. Then what you'll do is you'll hook your cable to your Quest 2 from your PC, and you can then use SideQuest on your PC to install APK Pure. Once you've got APK Pure installed, basically run it. Now, the first time it opens, it's going to ask for permissions. I do not allow it to manage my phone calls, so I hit deny. Now, since I've already got this installed, I'm going to have to tell you what happens next. I can't show you. So I'm going to hit deny. Now you'll get another pop-up asking for access to your pictures, files on your Quest. You need to agree to that one and say allow, because APK Pure needs to be able to write to your download folder when it downloads an app and installs it. You may also, when you go to install an app, you may also get a request to allow installation of unknown sources. Something you have to do. It's the same thing you have to do if you want unknown sources apps on the Quest anyway. It's a setting in the Quest, but APK Pure needs that permission. All right, so then once you've responded to those dialogues, you're going to go up here and you're going to search for SideQuest. And there it is. Now, SideQuest did release an APK. They released it on the Google Play Store to allow you to install SideQuest on your phone and SideQuest and use SideQuest on your phone via either an OTG cable or Wi-Fi to load games from your Google phone, from your Android phone to your Quest 2. However, I'm an Apple guy when it comes to phone. Doesn't exist, can't do it. So there's no SideQuest for Apple. Plus, there's some benefits to having SideQuest on your Quest 2, I think, and I will show you those benefits. But so basically, you're going to click this. Now, mine says open, but you will have install. So click install. Again, you might get a pop-up saying allow unknown sources and let it do its thing. Pardon me. Then once that's done, you can close APK Pure and uninstall APK Pure if that's what you want to do, or you could keep APK Pure and, look at their other apps, right? Then once that's done, you're going to run SideQuest. So we're going to run it right now. And I'm going to resize the window. As you see, I've already logged into my account because I've already installed this. And basically, I'm logged in there. You do not have to log in, obviously, just like the SideQuest app, but you won't get your library and what else you have. Now, here's the big thing. You'll notice I have a green light here. You will have a red light the first time. Why? Because you have to set up a wireless from SideQuest to use SideQuest in the headset. SideQuest can't. They didn't write SideQuest to write directly in your headset. I wish they would, but it probably would not get permission from Oculus to do that. So we're kind of doing a workaround here. So what we're going to do is we're going to enable Wi-Fi. So I clicked, let me go back. I clicked on this icon, Wi-Fi, and the USB icon. So basically this app, this SideQuest app, allows you to connect OTG from your phone. So you can have a cable from your phone into your Quest, and it allows the SideQuest app to SideQuest games into your Quest 2 over the cable. Well, who wants that? And again, I have Apple. This only works on Android. However, wireless mode. Pardon me. Now, in order to enable wireless ADB, before you have to hook your Quest 2 to your PC, run SideQuest, and in SideQuest, there's a little Wi-Fi icon. Click that, and it'll send a command to your Quest 2 to enable wireless ADB. Once you do that, you can tell SideQuest on your PC to connect to your Quest 2 via wireless, and then you can unplug the cable to your Quest 2. We don't need the cable anymore. So that enabled wireless on the Quest 2. Then you're going to come back here and you're going to see the phone IP. Now, when I first launched this, the headset IP was blank because remember, this is a phone app. It doesn't know it's running on the Quest 2, so it doesn't know what the headset IP is. However, we're running it on the Quest 2, so the IP that it's reporting for your phone will be the same IP for the headset. Imagine that. So then what you're going to do under Enable Wi-Fi is you're going to type in that same IP. You're going to hit Connect, and what you're going to get is the green light now. And to prove that this is now talking to the Quest, I'll give you a prime example. By the way, this SideQuest is it's got almost everything that the PC SideQuest has. I can go here. One of the tools I like to do is when I'm recording is set for a 720 recording, and I'm going to send that. Hope it didn't mess up my video. Completed successfully. But yeah, for instance, if you wanted to test some of this stuff like CPU level, OVAted, chromatic aberration, and kind of play with some of this stuff, you can do it and see it live in your headset, right? Some of these require you to press the button on your headset and put it to sleep and wake it up, but you should be fine. I'm not going to do that because I'm recording in the headset right now. But anyway, you can test some of this stuff live. You don't have to take your headset off, go to your PC, set the setting on the PC and have SideQuest set it, and then put your headset back on. So one of the beauties of running this here. All right, and then to show you that it also works, let's load a game real quick. So I'll just pick something simple here. How about Attack on Quest? Now, by the way, since I'm recording on the headset, sometimes these are a little slow and you're seeing some lag. I'm recording in the headset. Anyway, we'll scroll up and I'm going to hit download and sideload. And it says installing. And if I go to the downloads folder, you will see it's downloading. Let me clear that one. Now, I was testing this earlier, and this happens a lot faster than what you're seeing. And that is because I'm recording in the headset. So the Quest is burning processor time recording and writing to memory while this thing's writing to memory. Additionally, installation when I'm recording, pardon me, I don't know why I got a cough. Installation while I'm recording also is very slow. But when you're not recording, this thing it's just as fast as PC. It just zips right along and installs right away. So it's going to go to installing, and let's see if it gets there. Because a couple of times, success. And now, how do we know that that worked? Well, guess what? I'm going to go over here to unknown sources. And as you saw, SideQuest installer was first. Now the game's here. Attack on Quest. I don't really want this game right now, but as you see, it installed it right in my headset. No PC needed. Again, the only time I needed the PC was to get this wireless connection. Now, one bad point about this, you can put your headset to sleep and you can wake it up, but if you power down your headset or reboot your headset, you have to go through hooking it to the PC, having SideQuest tell it to turn on wireless ADB, and then come back in here and turn on wireless here. So that's the only bummer. A reboot, you have to go through that setup again. Anyway, so I'll give you a prime example here. I've got a custom home. This is Mars 1, it's called, right? So let's say I want to look at different homes. and try them out. Prior to this, what you had to do is you had to take your headset off, go on SideQuest on your PC or on your phone if you were doing it that way, find the scene you wanted to see, install it, then put your headset back on. Well, we're going to do it without ever taking the headset off. So again, I'm going to go to SideQuest, and I'm going to widen this window up a little bit, and I'm going to go scroll up. Oh, games, nope. Yeah, recording, boy, I'm getting some slow down here. Come on. Let me clear. Can't seem to get it to scroll. Why is that? Games. Here we go. Custom homes. So we're going to install a custom home. So as you see, this is Mars 1. In my custom homes, I have got Mars 1 set as the space station. See, when I click it, that's what's active. So we're going to go, you can't overwrite one that you're currently viewing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here, right? Then I'm going to go back to SideQuest, custom homes, and let's just pick one. How about Minecraft, apartment, Rick's, SpongeBob. See, there's a ton of custom homes, and if you want to look at each one and see what it is, now you can do that without messing around. So what's this? Star Wars. All right, let's pick that. Okay. We're going to scroll down, and we're going to install one that I'm not currently looking at. So I went to that new studio, but if I was looking at Classic Home, I'd want to install one that's not one that I'm currently looking at because it won't overwrite. Actually, you know what? Let me test that. Actually, I think it might overwrite. Sorry, bear with me here. I'm going to go back to Mars. Okay. And I'm going to say I want install at a space station. Install. See if it overwrites. Don't know that maybe it will. No, it will not. See, it stayed closed. So it stayed. So let me go. I didn't think it would. So let me, let me go back to this studio. Now I'll install it again for space station install. Wait till it's done. Okay. Get a blink and it's going to say, now whenever you place a home environment, you get this pop-up. Don't restore, just hit close. Now we'll go back to settings and we'll go look at space station. And here's the new one that I just installed, Star Wars, right? Check it out. Star Wars. Oh, look, Yoda. Oh, he's looking at me. Check that out. So anyway, it allows you, the beauty of this is I never have to take the headset off. I can go back and look at, and I can look at all kinds of different homes if I wanted to, try games and all that stuff without having to take the headset off. Again, there's a little bit of a bamboozle if you reset or reboot. You got to hook it to the PC to get back to this state. But once you got green and connected, you can mess around in SideQuest all day long without ever taking the headset off. Try games, uninstall games, try them out, all with the beauty of staying in VR. Anyway, I hope this tip was helpful. Enjoy. Let me know if you got any questions. I respond to my YouTube channel and video, and have a good one.